good. It worked again. I'm going to take it in.
Hi guys, if you watch our channel you'll know that we had a little drone issue on Christmas Day. Now this is pretty much part 2 of did we solve our drone issues. Now the best person that can explain that to you will be Dave, because he is primarily the drone operator. So over to Dave.
In this little section, I was trying the RC controller and showing that the calibration was 0 sideways and 100% up and down. Earlier on I was getting probably 80%, 93, then it dropped off, and now it doesn't fly at all. And this is what I sent to DJI Mini to show them that there's actually an issue with the left hand controller, and we'll solve it from there. Hi everyone, just a quick update on the drone. It looks like the RCR calibration won't work anymore. The left toggle, moving it left and right, it's just always reading 0. I think that in the end it wouldn't actually even take off from the ground. I got hold of DJI and they said factory reset, reload everything again. Nothing happened. In the end they said to send it to us and we can see what they can do about repairing it. Instead, I went back to the company that I bought it from, which was JB Hi-Fi in Perth, and they just replaced the whole unit. So I've got a new one, and we've been testing it, and it seems fine, and we've been trying new filters on it over the last week, and I've actually named it Brian, because Brian was a naughty boy, which I've watched from Monty Python and the Holy Grail, so that's its name from now on. So we've been trying these filters, as you can see right there, and over a week we would try and do the same in the morning into the sun and away from the sun to see what the difference actually is. We'll let you know how it went. Thanks for watching.